Toyota has been building cars for 87 years. In that time, it has put its global facilities in Japan, the United States, and Europe. This week, it signed a 1200 crore rupees MOU with the Karnataka government and chose Kwin City, a development that is currently more blueprint than building, as the location for the Toyota Biz Intel Hub. Yes, this is the first facility of this kind anywhere in the world. Toyota does not typically make speculative bets. Chief Minister Siddaramaiah was in the room. Toyota COO Sudeep Dalvi and CTO Yoshinori Noratake signed alongside Principal Secretary S. Selvakumar, Industries Commissioner Khushbu Goyal and KIADB CEO Govind Reddy. The investment runs across 5 years and covers vehicle manufacturing, high-tech testing, and advanced research and development. Kwin City is being developed as an integrated zone for innovation, healthcare, and technology. Toyota is its first anchor investor, which means every investor conversation that follows from here on will open with this reference. Quite good. A company that runs one of the most disciplined capital allocation processes in global manufacturing does not, I believe, commit 1200 crore rupees to a location on the strength of just a presentation. The site selection will have gone through years of evaluation, infrastructure timelines, talent availability, government stability, and logistics connectivity. So Karnataka's engineering talent pool, its existing automotive manufacturing base, and its proximity to Bengaluru's technology ecosystem will all have been in that particular evaluation. Now, of course, on the jobs front, the jobs this creates are worth being specific about. This, I believe, is not so much about assembly line work. The Biz Intel Hub is built around research and development and advanced manufacturing, which means software engineers working on vehicle intelligence, testing engineers running next-generation mobility systems, and AI and data teams embedded inside an automotive operation at global scales. The auto industry and the technology industry have been moving toward each other for quite some time, actually for a decade. A facility that puts Toyota's global research and development capability inside Karnataka's technology corridor is where that convergence becomes a job description. And here, of course, is the front page take. Kwin City's credibility now depends on what comes after Toyota: the infrastructure timeline, the quality of subsequent tenants, the conversations with global corporations looking at the zone. So all of them will reference this MOU for sure. The blueprint is quite massive. The first signature is credible. Whether the construction matches both is what the next 5 years will determine. Please do let us know what are your thoughts in the comments below. This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by the AIM Network. Like, share, subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AIM.